evening, guys. This is going to be the best brands that I trust and love. And I'm going to start right off with the CPU. There's really only two choices here, Intel and AMD. I'm a fanboy of both, and I love them both.
All right, guys, any brands I don't mention here, I'm just going to give an FYI I probably have had issues with in the past or I don't like, especially ThermalTake, Gigabyte. I've had some issues with EVGA, but I still do trust them. Other than that, I'm going to go over GPUs with you quick, guys. I like MSI, ZOTAC, Asus, EVGA, PNY, and then for AMD, I like Sapphire.
Our next one's going to be RAM. I love Corsair, I love Kingston, I love SK Hynix, Micron, Crucial, G-Skill, Adata, OLED, and for motherboards, I'm a little bit picky here. I only like MSI, Asus, ASRock, and SuperMicro. PSUs. I only like Corsair, Seasonic, EVGA, CoolMaster, Be Quiet, and Asus and Fractal. They make some awesome PSUs. Fans, I like Antech, Corsair, Noctua, Fractal, Leland, and there's a couple brands in between there, but they usually make the best fans. CPU coolers, hands down, it's going to be Corsair, Asus, Fractal, CoolMaster, Noctua, and Arctic. Yes, Arctic is on that list. Antech too makes some good fans, but they're kind of on the cheaper side. Cases, I'm in love with Fractal cases. I also really like Leland cases. The Asus cases aren't bad. Usually you have some good airflow, but you know, it is what it is. Corsair, hands down, makes some of the most prettiest cases that have decent airflow. And of course, CoolMaster and Antech. There's 1,000 other case manufacturers out there. You know, if you're looking for cases, look at reviews, but this is my top picks. Thermal paste, it's kind of an important one. I'm in love with CoolMaster. Of course, there are other ones like Noctua, Thermal Grizzly, Pro, Lima Tech, and Arctic Silver MX, and all sorts of stuff like that. That's going to be your thermal pastes that you're going to want to choose from. I don't think I forgot anything. RAM, CPU, oh, drives. I did forget something. So, really with spindle discs, I like Western Digital, Seagate. Not a big fan of Toshiba. I've had a bunch of them bad, but they've retooken the brand. You know, they're pretty good for the most part. Them are for the spinny discs. Of course, when you get into SSDs, Western Digital used to be on the low end, but they've really brought it up. My top SSD and M.2 is a Samsung. Next to that is Corsair for those two. You can also look at Micron or Crucial. They make good things. Also, PNY makes good SSDs and M.2s, and that's going to be my picks for those guys. Any other components and stuff like that, everything else that's out there is pretty good. All right, guys, you got any questions, concerns, comments about my video that I just made tonight, or want to leave a comment just to say what's up and say hello, go ahead and jot it down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm Tech Nitwit, and I'm out, y'all.